Consider the following expression. A is 10, B 11, C 13, D 15. The correct answer is C 13. Question 2. The value of sin 30 degrees is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A 1 2, B 2 3, C 3 4, D 1 4. The correct answer is B 2 3. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 5. The degree of polynomial 3x5x superscript 2 plus 7 is A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. The correct answer is C 4. Question 6. The distance between points 0 0 and 3 4 is A 5, B 6, C 7, D 4. The correct answer is A 5. Consider the following expression. A 0.3010, B 0.6020, C 1.2040, D 0.1505. The correct answer is B 0.6020. Question 8. The value of cos 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Consider the following expression. A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is B2. Question 10. The sum of first 10 natural numbers is A 45, B 50, C 55, D 60. The correct answer is C 55. Consider the following expression. A 13, B 15, C 16, D 18. The correct answer is C 16. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 13. If the roots of quadratic equation are equal, then its discriminant is A positive, B negative, C 0, D infinite. The correct answer is C 0. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A 30 degrees, B 45 degrees, C. 60 degrees. D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is B. 45 degrees. Question 16. The value of vertical bar 7 vertical bar is A. 7, B. 0, C. 7, D. 1. The correct answer is C. 7. Question 17. The mean of first 10 natural numbers is A. 5, B. 5.5, C. 6, D. 4.5. The correct answer is B. 5.5. Consider the following expression. A2, B2, C5, D10. The correct answer is A2. Question 19. The value of sin superscript to 45 degree plus cos superscript to 45 degree is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Consider the following expression. A9, B9, C6, D3. The correct answer is B9. Consider the following expression. A1, B2, C3, D0. The correct answer is B2. Consider the following expression. A. 0 degrees, B. 30 degrees, C. 60 degrees, D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is D. 90 degrees. Question 23. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is A. 90 degrees, B. 180 degrees, C. 270 degrees, D. 360 degrees. The correct answer is B. 180 degrees. Question 24. The formula for distance between points xy and xy is A. xx plus yy, B. xx superscript 2 plus yy superscript 2, C. x superscript 2 plus y superscript 2, D. xx. The correct answer is B. xx superscript 2 plus yy superscript 2. Question 25. If a circle has radius r, its area is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 26. The probability of getting ahead when tossing a fair coin is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is C. x plus y. Consider the following expression. A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is C. 4. Consider the following expression. A. 0 degrees. B. 30 degrees. C. 45 degrees. D. 60 degrees. The correct answer is A. 0 degrees. Question 30. The value of tan 45 degrees times cos 60 degrees is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 31. The number of subsets of a set containing 3 elements is A. 6, B. 8, C. 3, D. 9. The correct answer is B. 8. Question 32. If the mean of 5 observations is 10, their sum is A. 50, B. 15, C. 10, D. 5. The correct answer is A. 50. Consider the following expression. A. Real, B. Rational, C. Irrational, D. Imaginary. The correct answer is D. Imaginary. Question 34. The slope of x-axis is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A. 0. Consider the following expression. A. 0 degrees, B. 30 degrees, C. 90 degrees, D. 180 degrees. The correct answer is C. 90 degrees. Consider the following expression. A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. Infinite. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 37. If A and B are complementary angles, then A plus B equals A. 90 degrees, B. 180 degrees, C. 360 degrees, D. 45 degrees. The correct answer is A. 90 degrees. Question 38. The standard form of circle with center at origin is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 39. The value of 0 is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Question 40. If two lines have equal slopes, they are A. Intersecting, B. Parallel, C. Perpendicular, D. Coincident only. The correct answer is B. Parallel. Question 41. The sum of angles in a quadrilateral is A. 180 degrees, B. 270 degrees, C. 360 degrees, D. 450 degrees. The correct answer is C. 360 degrees. Question 42. If a die is thrown, the probability of getting an even number is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 43. The inverse of sin superscript 1x is A. Sin x, B. Cos x, C. Tan x, D. Sec x. The correct answer is A. Sin x. Question 44. The distance of point 23 from origin is A. 13, B. 5, C. 5, D. 13. The correct answer is A. 13. Question 45. The solution set of x superscript to 4 is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is C. 2x2. Question 46. If A is a null set, then number of elements in A is A. 0, B. 1, C. Infinite, D. Undefined. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 47. The median of data 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 8. The correct answer is C. 6. Question 48. The value of cos 0 degrees is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B1. Question 49. If a triangle has sides 3, 4 and 5, it is A. Isosceles, B. Equilateral, C. Right-angled, D. Obtuse-angled. The correct answer is C. Right-angled. Question 50. The coefficient of x superscript 2 in expansion of x plus 1 superscript 2 is A. 1, B. 2, C. 0, D. 1. The correct answer is A. 1. Consider the following expression. A. 30 degrees, B. 45 degrees, C. 60 degrees, D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is C. 60 degrees. Question 52. The mean proportional between 4 and 16 is A. 6, B. 8, C. 10, D. 12. The correct answer is B. 8. Question 53. The value of 2 superscript 3 is A. 8, B. 8, C. 6, D. 6. The correct answer is A. 8.